There's a new way to measure that's faster, easier, and far more efficient. Introducing the 3-in-1 Measure King. With the Measure King, you can now measure curves. Ordinary tape measures are metal and can't be used for accurately measuring curved areas. But with the Measure King's roll mode, you can measure curves by simply rolling. The digital readout shows you the distance. In roll mode, you can measure irregular shaped objects of all kinds. And unlike ordinary measuring tapes, you can do it with just one hand. With the Measure King, you also have the option to use traditional measuring tape. But instead of the ordinary metal tape that crinkles when bent, the Measure King uses a new flexible nylon tape that can bend around objects. You can measure pillars. You can measure people. You can measure anything that's rounded. You can read the measurement right off the tape or off the digital display. And to save you time, there's also the laser mode. You can measure distances instantly by simply pointing the laser. Whether you're a contractor, a carpenter, a plumber, a mechanic, a handyman, or anyone else, the 3-in-1 Measure King makes measuring faster, easier, and far more efficient. The Measure King is made to contractor standards. It's rugged and durable, and its measurements are accurate down to 1/100th of an inch. You can even change the measurement options on the digital readout. You'd spend nearly $100 on a professional measuring tape and a laser with a digital readout. But with the 3-in-1 Measure King, you get all that.